Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable bass boost for your headphones Philips. You have to start by open Philips headphones application. Of course you need to add your headphones to the app and then you will see the same menu. You need to go to the sound effect and right here at the left side we have bass preset, so this one is bass boost, just tap on it and now we use it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!